Yeah, so the writing program working between 250 to 750 words in a critical, creative, or academic way. So this means that it's not a term paper class. We're not using secondary literature to write 10 to 20-page papers. We are working on a 5-page literary, philosophical, analytic model, but we're generally working between 250 words, 1 page, to 750 words. 3 pages. So we're writing in a very minimalist way, but a very intense and dynamic way. Some types of writing that you'll do in the class here: proposal and abstract writing, dialogic writing, design treatment writing, and parable aphoristic writing. So these are all short form writing samples. I'll talk more about them as we get to them. If you have a question about that, just put it on FAQ and I'll spend more time talking about that. But, that when we get to it, I'll talk more about that. So obviously it's a paperless PDF online class. All material is submitted to Canvas. You do all our work on Canvas, all our reading, all our writing via Canvas, right? So obviously you need to be computer literate. You need to be also have a video connection. So you need to be able to produce videos for this class of yourself talking about the text, analyzing the text, creating types of PowerPoint type things at times. So you need full video fluency and competency with this, okay, if you're taking an online class. These are the texts that we're working with. Notice that I've put them underneath categories, right? So we're using the text as tools in order to explore certain ideas, okay? So the first text will be the Chomsky-Foucault dialogue. This will allow us to introduce the class, get into some of the ideas of what the class is about, why we're doing the class. Then we turn to Mary Wollstonecraft's Vindication of the Rights of Woman, and we'll use this text to discuss issues of gender and sexuality. Then we move to Galileo, Sidereus Nuncius, also known as the Starry Messenger, which will allow us to deal with issues of science and technology. Also a note here, you can see that I've noted secondary literature that will be applied to the reading as we're reading it. So I'll bring that in. You don't have to read it, but those are the types of things that I like to bring into the conversation. So don't worry, you don't have to read those. You just have to read the primary text, and then I take care of the rest.